The bus is loaded up. Went in and did some painter's tape around the edges with some of the leak areas. If it stays, it stays. If it falls off, it falls off. Went and put a tarp under, try to catch some of the salt spray. I put the pan back up. See what happens. Well, off I go. Alright, follow on. We made it. The garage is full. The house is full. The bus made it just fine. The painter's tape worked good. We got lucky. There was absolutely no snow, no precipitation, no rain, blah blah blah. The roads were dry. Other than that, the precautionary painter's tape on some of the leaky areas worked well. Stayed on for the entire road or entire trip. My heater is working. Gave the wife directions. Also did the painter's tape across the front here. The front's pretty dirty. There's a lot of mist and stuff. But as far as no real. Sorry, you probably couldn't hear that. Anyway, there was some salt spray. Like I said, the roads were mostly dry. But it seems like we're going to be getting a lot of snow here next couple days. But the once all this clears up, then probably organize this garage, unpack all the boxes. You should be able to see this one really good. How dirty it is now. You can see the line. Well, I can see it anyway. Anyway, that's our update. Painter's tape worked well. We ended up not using the Penske truck to tow it. We ended up towing it with our GMC Canyon. The Penske truck was having some fuel pressure issues. They turned out being the fuel filter was clogged. Had a service technician come out. He wasn't able to replace the filter because they had none in stock. So he cleaned it out as best as he could, put in some anti-gel in the fuel tank, and sent me on my way. After that, I was able to go about 65, 70 the whole way with the truck. But by that time, we already hooked it up to the other truck, so we just left it hooked up and drove the rest of the way that way. Well, that's my weekend update. Probably be a couple weeks before the next video. I got 1 to 2 weeks left of the military, then I'm done on terminal leave. After that, that mess and this mess. I didn't think we were pack rats or hoarders, but maybe we are. Just toolbox, well, small little toolbox. Trampoline parts. Some woodworking tools. Little Harbor Freight trailer. Figure out where my point finger is. My full-size toolbox is right there. Spare refrigerator, freezer, we made it down in the basement. Spare tires. You never pass up a set of brand new tires when someone's putting a lift kit on their truck and says, hey, $600 for rims and tires with 3,000 miles. So, bunch of kid toys, gotta find some places for those. No idea where my welder is, but there's my welding mask. Some of the zipline parts. For if we go back up there, I have to remember to take that with me. So the kids really love that. Here's nice and hot. And the Weather Channel is forecasting 7 inches of snow tomorrow. No. I think this is long enough. Oh. Why are washing machines so heavy? It needs to go in the basement. That one does too. Which is kind of the reason I have the heater on, so that the washing machine doesn't freeze. Anyway, let me turn that down. Set it as low as I can set, which is I think 55. Yep, I think that's it. Thanks for watching.